Gang, gang. What's up, man? It's your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. I'm in a holiday spirit, in the mood. But look, I'm finna go ahead and restore these things. Y'all know the Concords are coming out this Saturday. I want to match. I want to wear the black and white ones than wear the Columbias. So I'm actually gonna do something crazy. I took the shoestrings out. Show you what I'm talking about real quick. It's a little dirty. You see that? Retro family. It's your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Got these basketball shoes I'm actually getting ready to sell on the channel. If you subscribe, you're getting for the low. So basically what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to go ahead and actually put these Jordan 11s, believe it or not, in the washing machine. This is the way I do clean some of my shoes sometimes, do the pillowcase, don't laugh. I had these for a while, actually in 2015 and 16 when they came out, if I'm not mistaken. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is try to clean them up. Tongue kind of. So don't go nowhere. I'm going to show you the results on that. Washing machine action. Pillowcase up, laced up. Trying to put these things in the washing machine. Sobe action going on. Pray for me, Retro fam, Retro gang. No, I'm just playing. I do this a lot. Actually, what I did was I took the shoes and put them in a pillowcase. I tied them in a knot and made sure it was actually tightly secured. I try to have no access of it out of the pillowcase. Here we go. All right, let's see what we got. Glue still there, stitching still there. Just not no stain. Turn back white. Buttery. There's one. Put them things in the light so y'all can see it. All right. Shoelaces. Clean, still intact. The tips. Other shoe. Logo still there. Stitching still there. Don't worry about that. That's just the lint stuff from the pillowcase. 23 still there. Nothing is faded. See, y'all can see that. Still gonna have that yellow on the agent, of course. Icy bottom. Came out real good, actually. I'm gonna let them dry and show y'all the after. Well, I showed y'all the before. This the middle. Then I'm gonna show y'all the after laced up. Seriously, here go these things laced up. Tell me what y'all think. Yeah, I can get some more wears out of these for sure.